Le encantó la casa, Luisito.
Es
Sí,
muy
claro.
bonito.
Muy bonita casa, sí. Ya te habíamos dicho que sí.
Ya sabes, mi casa es tu casa, como dicen aquí en México.
¡Ey! ¡Hola! ¡Ey!
Okay.
¡Ey! Se pelean por... Se pelean por...
Me gusta mucho.
Esta. Está preciosa.
Sí,
Es como
sí.
la tuya.
Sí, sí. Sí.
¡Ey!
Venenosa de allá.
Okay,
Hey.
so we are in La Rejoyada. Muy, muy bonita.
¿Vas a querer un poquito, Greta?
At some friend's
Es del,
house. Pasar más tiempo.
del dulce.
And so this is the kitchen, cocina, and then there's a bathroom, and then we're gonna go outside and I'll show y'all the plants and everything. We've had a wonderful evening here. Oh, come on, come on. This is Chloe, the dog, and so this is their outdoor area, and the main house is just through here. Okay, so I'll stand back so you guys can see. It's a beautiful thatched roof. I love that, and all the plants they have here. And then here they have a pool that is like kind of like a cenote. We were swimming here earlier today. It's very beautiful. They have artwork under there, and it's like the Mayan, almost like hieroglyphics, I guess. I don't know what you call that. Es mi gente. And the little dog is running. And so this is the main house here. And it has the bedrooms there. So I hope nothing has bit me. But look how beautiful this pool is, y'all. It's becoming evening, so everything is lighting up now. And Ronnie is...
That dog still likes me. That's what keeps it.
And there's like a path going there. They have a bunch of cats, but I'm allergic to cats, so the cats are put away. But yeah, it is beautiful out here. La Rejoyada is the area. It took us maybe 25 minutes. Oh, okay. Okay, okay.
Walking around, no problem.
Okay. I love the plants, las plantas.
Sí,
Me encanta.
Son preciosos, son native plants.
Sí.
The originals from here.
Oh,
we don't
wow.
cut nothing.
Okay.
When we made the house, we don't cut nothing.
Okay.
Transplanting.
Oh, there's one of the cats. Oh, you.
We have to.
¿Cómo se dice? Gallo?
Gallinas.
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 Okay.
For the eggs.
Sí,
you know?
sí.
All days. She give us 2 eggs daily.
Wow. Okay.
You put in
Okay.
your nest.
I see. They have them nesting boxes.
Making those. Exactly.
Okay.
She's one of the 5 cats.
Okay. Yes. Palmas.
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 These palmas from the Caribbean beach.
Okay.
From Tulum.
Tulum.
This one, that one, that one.
Okay. Okay.
Tasil. Tasil.
Okay.
Dog house.
Okay.
Hace mucho. Long time ago.
Wow. Okay.
This is my son's rooms.
Okay.
Luis Roberto, José Emiliano.
Okay.
TV room at the center.
Okay.
And upstairs, my room.
Okay. Okay.
Susie's and I room.
Okay.
And this little house is for the friends.
Okay, for guests.
For guests.
Mhm.
Exactly. For guests. When they come in, no problem. To sleep,
Okay.
to
Muy
sleep.
bonito.
Para lavar.
Okay. Sí.
El piso es de Yucatán, 100% yucateco, de aquí,
Sí.
de Yucatán. El piso lo hacen aquí
It's beautiful.
artesanos mayas. Los artesanos mayas lo fabrican y hace mucho tiempo se veía este suelo en las haciendas antiguas.
Okay.
Entonces logramos conseguir un pequeño pedacito de piso para ponerlo acá atrás en la parte de lavado.
Sí, sí. Sí. Me gusta mucho.
Plantas nativas de aquí, de la zona de Yucatán, de la selva, ¿no? Mira.
Oh. Cactus. I didn't even notice those there. Those are very tall.
We have
Wow.
23
And orchids.
23 cactus here.
Wow.
Cactus.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Y esta es la casita, una cabañita para las visitas, no más que
Okay. So he's going to show us the casita. Okay. Me gusta mucho.
la casita para.
Okay.
If you want to be here for a night, no problem.
Okay.
Please for guests.
Okay, yes. This is nice.
Sí, el baño.
Beautiful wood door.
Ah, perdón, vamos a cerrar.
It's very nice. Beautiful wood and a sink. He's decorated the whole place with art like this. Very beautiful. And the natural stone.
All here in this cabaña is from Peru.
Oh, wow.
It's from Peru. This all is from Peru.
Okay.
Because my father was Peruvian.
Okay, okay.
When my mother come here, they are nice with Peru
Okay,
presents.
okay.
Balcón.
Oh, and this is the balcony. So you can come sit out here and enjoy the nature. Muy tranquilo.
Sí, delicioso. Aquí es exquisito, delicioso.
Mm-hmm.
In the morning, wake up with the birds songs,
Mm-hmm.
los cantos de los pájaros.
Sí. Sí, es un bendiga.
Este es mi cuarto. Este es un baño.
Ajá.
Un baño externo.
Okay.
You know, can you see
So it
the
has a bathroom
bathroom?
outside. Yes.
Outside.
So take the
When
shower
you're very
outside.
hot, you can take a shower outside
Mm-hmm.
if you want.
Muy bien.
Sí.
And then that's just the front of the property.
Where from?
Okay. And they've been here for 2 años.
2 años.
2 años.
Sí, 2 años.
Okay. 2 years they've been here. ¿Madera es parota o...?
Parota. Parota, sí.
Okay.
La madera. Esta.
Wow.
El piso.
Okay. This is parota. Wood.
Parota y salam.
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 Salam en la mesa.
Okay. All right, y'all.
Que aquí todo lo que Susi vende.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
Susi Stores.
Oh, his wife has a store.
Sí.
So she sells
Bolsas.
these things.
¿No? Marcas.
Okay.
Bolsas, vasos.
Mm-hmm.
Todo lo que tiene, bueno, un chorro de cosas.
Okay. 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 We'll see y'all later. Bye. And this is his balcony from their room. They have a hot tub up here. And this beautiful porch. And they have solar panels too. I hope to get those one day. And this is a view from their room. They have a palapa roof. There's the pool down there. It's kind of like being at the beach every day. Mm-hmm. This is their bedroom. They have a little small balcony there. And I think that's their bathroom over there. Now what's strange is this wood is quite soft. When you walk on it, you can feel it giving. So it's kind of weird, but it works. Yeah, they said they left all the native plants and trees here. So it's a blessing to have wonderful people to spend time with. Well, y'all, this is Mexico. And there's Chloe. Okay, now, for real. We're about to go and relax. So we'll see y'all later.